Hi, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to play the D minor scale. As you might remember, every minor scale has three forms. We have the natural, the harmonic, and the melodic. I'll take you through all three forms with the correct fingerings and notes, how to play 1 octave and 2 octave. So let's get started. So first thing we want to remember is that the key of D minor has B flat. So let's go ahead and take a look at the right hand, the natural form of the D minor scale. Here are the notes: D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. All right, now I'm going to tell you the fingering. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Great, let's see what it looks like with the left hand. Left hand, we're going to use the same letters as we did on the right hand. I'm just going to take you through the fingering. It goes like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a look at how we put things together. So whenever you play a scale hands together, one of the most hopeful things you can think about is where to put your thumbs. So in our right hand, we're going to put our thumb on D and G. Our left hand thumb is going to land on A and D. So in this particular scale, the thumbs will not play at the same time, and that's probably what's going to make it the most tricky. If you have any trouble with that, that's probably where it's going to be. Hopefully not. So knowing that our right hand thumb is landing on G and our left hand thumb is landing on A is super helpful. The other thing we want to know is that our third fingers will play at the same time. So when we come to a point where we need to cross a finger, we can look at the other hand. If the other hand's using 3, then that's the finger we want to cross. So we do want those third fingers to line up. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, here we go. D, E, F. We're going to put our right hand thumb on G. Our left hand thumb lands on A. Now both third fingers are going to go on B flat. So my left hand, I'm going to cross my third finger over here to match my right hand third finger on B flat. C, D, C, B flat. Then we're going to take our left hand thumb under to play the A. Right hand is using 2 to play A. When we get here, I'm going to play my third finger on my left hand, so that means my right hand's going to play the third finger as well. F, E, D. So let me play that a little smoother for you. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. Great. Let's move on to the harmonic minor. So in the next minor scale form, the harmonic minor, we're going to remember that we raise the 7th note. The 7th note above D would be C. So right now we've got a C. When we raise it a half step, it's going to become C sharp. So in this particular scale, something interesting kind of happens. We're going to have both a B flat and a C sharp. So we have a scale that has a flat and a sharp. Kind of unusual, but it does happen. Let's take a look at what the right hand looks like with those letters: D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D, C sharp, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the left hand. The letter names will be the same, so I'll just take you through the finger numbers, remembering that we're going to have B flat and C sharp in the harmonic form. Looks like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's talk about putting this together. Here we go. So I'm going to say the letter names and just walk you through the fingering as we go. So it's D, E, F. Our right hand thumb is going to tuck under to G, A. Then we're going to put both third fingers on B flat. Then we've got our C sharp, our raised 7th, D, C sharp, B flat. Right here, we're going to tuck our left hand thumb under to A. Our right hand's using 2. Then we're going to put both third fingers on F, E, D. Okay, let me play that through a little smoother for you. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D, C sharp, B flat, A, G, F, talk about our final form, the melodic form. And in this particular form, as you might know, we're going to raise the 6th and the 7th on the way up, but on the way down, we'll go back to the natural form. So that means we'll go back to just having B flat. So in the melodic form, the 6th note above D would be B flat. So in this particular form, on the way up, we're going to make it B natural. As we talked about in the last scale, the 7th note is C. We're going to raise it and make it C sharp on the way up, but on the way down, we'll go back to C natural. So that means on the way up, we're going to play B natural and C sharp. On the way down, we're playing B flat and C natural. Let's check that out in the right hand. Here we go, letter names. D, E, F, G, A, B natural, C sharp, D. Now we're going to go back down natural. So now we have C natural, B flat, A, G, F, E, fun and cool how we're swapping around these 4 keys right here. Just get a little swap around as we do that. Okay, let me take you through the fingering. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's check out the left hand. Same thing, we're going to raise the 6th and 7th. So we're going to have B and C sharp on the way up, on the way down, C natural, B flat. I'll just take you through the finger numbers because the letters are the same. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as the other forms. When we put this together, just want to think about where your thumbs go and putting your third fingers at the same time. Remember, we're going to go up with the B natural and the C sharp, coming back down, C natural, B flat. This is what it looks like hands together. D, E, F, G, A, B, C sharp, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. Okay, so let's talk about 2 octaves. So we're going to start with the natural form. And the most helpful thing to remember when we're playing any scale 2 octaves, again, is knowing where your thumbs go and that your third fingers are playing at the same time. This will be incredibly helpful on the scale. The hardest part is going to be the transition from the 1st to the 2nd octave. And then when you're coming back down, going from the 2nd octave back to the 1st, that's where people usually have the mistakes happening. But knowing where your thumbs go and third fingers at the same time, it's going to make it a breeze. So let's look at hands together. Notes and fingering are the same as they were in 1 octave. We'll just have the transition that happens between 1st octave, 2nd octave. This is what it looks like. So D, E, we're going to have our third fingers at the same time. Right hand thumb goes under to G. When I get here, I want third fingers at the same time on B flat. Now here comes our transition into the next octave. Instead of using your 5th finger to play this D in your right hand, you're going to take your thumb under to play D, putting both thumbs on D. Now here I have a cross in my left hand. Because my right hand I can see is playing 2, that lets me know that I'm not going to cross my third finger because I want my third fingers at the same time. I'm going to cross 4. And look at that. That makes our third fingers line up at the same time. Right hand thumb goes on G. We're going to put both third fingers on B flat. We're at the top, now we're ready to go back down. Following the same rules, we're going to want to, on the way down, remember that your left hand thumb lands on A. That's going to be the thing you're going to find the most helpful. Make sure that left hand thumb lands on A, third fingers at the same time. This is what it looks like. D, C, B flat, left hand thumb goes on A. Crossing here, both third fingers at the same time. Put both thumbs on D. Now, when I get here, left hand's on 2, so that means right hand's going to cross the 4. Both third fingers on B flat. My left hand thumb goes on A. Both third fingers at the same time. Okay, so let me play that through a little smoother so you can see how it looks. Here we go. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, D. All right, excellent. Now let's do the harmonic minor. The only thing we're doing differently is we're just going to make the C sharp. Everything else is the same. This is what it looks like. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D, C sharp, B flat, A, G, F, E, D, C sharp, left, it's the hardest one. Remember, we're going to raise the 6 and 7 on the way up, but they're not raised on the way down. So that means B natural, C sharp on the way up, C natural, B flat on the way down. Fingering, everything else is the same. Knowing where your thumbs go, third fingers at the same time. This is what it looks like. D, E, F, G, A. Third fingers on B natural, C sharp, both thumbs on D. Cross your fourth finger to E, F, G, A. Third fingers on B natural, C sharp. Here's our turnaround. We're up at the top at D. We're going back down to C natural, B flat. Our left hand thumb goes on A. Third fingers at the same time on F. Both thumbs on D. C natural, B flat. Thumb on A in your left hand. Third fingers at the same time. There it is. Okay, I'll go through it one more time. Here's the turnaround. Great, with a little bit of practice, that scale will become easy before you know it. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, I would love it if you will please give this video a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video, and we're going to be taking a look at the G minor scale. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.